In last session, we used the count function to calculate how many registrations we have. We used the COUNTIF function to see the gender distribution of the people who had registered. Using the COUNTIFs function, we were able to see where the 29 males were located. In this session, we'll be using the SUM functions to calculate the revenue generated through registration so that we can plan for our next session. This time around, we will be adding numbers. So for this example, we've added a new column, registration fee, and we'll be using that to calculate the revenue that has been generated. So the registration fee is 9,000. However, there are some people that have been allocated discounts, so we'll try and see how much with the discounts has been accumulated. So what we'll do, we'll say equals SUM, and then we'll highlight the range that we're looking for and close our brackets and then enter. As you'll see, we have about 440,000 that has been generated through registration fees, and we can use that amount to actually now plan ahead for our next session. Next, we'll be using the SUMIF function to calculate the revenue across the different sectors. Similar to the approach we used when we're doing the COUNTIF functions, you'll go to the cell here, say equals SUMIF, and then here you're looking for the range. So because we're looking for sectors, you'll go to the range here where the sectors are, highlight that, and then you want the criteria. So right now we are looking at agriculture. And the next step is to look at the range that we are trying to sum. So it's still our registration fee, so then you will highlight that also and then close your bracket. And as you can see, we have about 103,000 here. Let's just format the cell so that we actually have currencies. So yeah, we have 103,000 that has been generated by the agriculture sector. So we're gonna do similar approach for the other sectors, and in the end they should actually add up to the total revenue here of 440,700. So after we've calculated all the revenue per sector, in order to see if it actually is equal to the total revenue we were calculating before, we'll use the SUM function for that. Can see it actually is equal to the total revenue that we had calculated before. In our next session, we'll be focusing on the average function.